Hello everyone, welcome to Pro Trader Talks. My name is Meghna Malkan and today we are going to be speaking about a very interesting topic called prosperity into trading. आप अपने trading और investment career में ज़्यादा prosperity कैसे कमा सकते हो? Let's understand first what the meaning of the word prosperity is. To come to it, जैसे कि common parlance में हमें लगता है कि prosperity मतलब ज़्यादा पैसा, but guys, if you really understand the meaning of it, prosperity is way beyond money. Prosperity means आपका state of mind. It actually comes down to what your state of mind is. It's about how you feel about yourself. It's all about that. कि अब अगर आप अपने बारे में अच्छा महसूस करते हो, if you're feeling great about yourself, that means you are more deserving of prosperity. But if you're focusing only on lack और आपको लगता है कि आप नहीं कर सकते हो, that means you're lacking prosperity. So एक अलग नज़रिए से देखेंगे prosperity को और देखेंगे कि आप trading और investing में how can you prosper, how can you bring that prosperity mindset into your trading and investing business. And like I always say, like any other business or profession, success at trading and investing is also 80% psychology, mindset, and 20% of your strategies, right? So to master this mindset, let's dive deep into the topic of prosperity और इसको trading से कैसे connect करते हैं और आप कैसे अपने trading investment career में prosper कर सकते हैं. So first things first, before we begin, सबसे पहला point ये है कि क्या आपको लगता है कि आप prosperity deserve करते हैं, which means that there are a lot of things that our mind focuses on, concentrates on, and whatever it is that you concentrate more increases. क्या आपने ऐसा देखा है आप constantly अगर you're focusing on how sad you are or how alone you are, how bereft you are, तो आपको ऐसे ही ख्याल आते हैं and the more you think about it, the more you generate it for yourself in your life. That goes with abundance as well. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप सक्सेसफुल बन सकते हो ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस में एंड इफ यू ट्राई टू फोकस मोर ऑफ योर थॉट्स on making it successful at trading and investing rather than focusing on lack of success in trading, that's all that you're going to generate for yourself. Lack पे focus करोगे, concentrate करोगे तो lack बढ़ेगा. Lack मतलब क्या? Back to back losses, not getting successful, not able to fit into the right strategy, not able to continue following the right strategy, trade after trade and following the trend to its entire end. और अगर आपने फोकस किया कि आई एम गोइंग टू बी फोकसिंग ऑन माई profits, I'm going to be focusing on how I'm going to be sticking to the system so that I remain into the system till the whole trend continues. That's where you generate prosperity. So your thought that you are deserving of all the prosperity that the trading and investment universe has to offer can be a big change, game changer, guys. Think about that. Because the fact is, there is abundant supply of everything into the universe, including your trading profits. So the more you think about abundance, the more you will attract prosperity in your trading career. The more you think about lack, the more you will attract lack. It's that way. So constantly remind yourself, to do on this one, constantly remind yourself and pinch yourself and be aware, hey, what is it that I'm thinking about right now? Am I focusing on the losing trade or am I focusing on the next winner in hand? And that can be a game changer. The second important idea to attract more prosperity is to make room for the new. मतलब क्या? आप जितना ज़्यादा क्लटर अपने फिजिकल वर्ल्ड और मेंटल वर्ल्ड में जमा करते हो, मतलब you keep accumulating, the more clutter you keep accumulating, the more you're blocking the space to attract something new in your life. Guys, let's remember one thing. When you're trying to attract prosperity into trading, you need to make space for that prosperity, right? अगर आपका mind और आपकी physical space is filled with all the old stuff, it's not possible for new things to come in. And your mind, clarity of thought begins with your physical environment. So I always advise my coaching students, my traders, keep your physical space clean. अपना जो भी आपका trading desk है, just whatever is bare essential for you to work on, just keep that and clear the rest all away. It's not about how clean or how neat your desk is. It's not about that. It's about how clutter-free your physical environment is, so that your mental environment is equally clutter-free as well. एक बार आपका physical environment clean हो गया, आपको जो भी अनवांटेड चीज़ थी आपने निकाल दी. The next step is to again clean the clutter of your mind. What is it that you don't need in your mind? जो भी constant ख्याल आते हैं, जो भी constant आपके fears है, obstacles है, आपको self doubt है, self sabotage है, try to work on each of these, and the best way to work on them is to not focus on them but to focus on the positive part. If you're feeling fearful, focus on courage. If you're feeling that you can't do it, focus on strength. Positive पे इतना focus करो, positive चीज़ें सुनो, positive audios, podcasts, audio books, you know, try to get more of positive stuff so that all this negativity is gone. And the sooner you get rid of the physical and mental clutter, the easier it becomes for new things to come in, for new discoveries, for new ideas, and for new, you know, the new beliefs in yourself that you can do it. It's possible for you to follow the system. It's possible for you to follow the process and not focus on the profit. So it's very important, focus on, you know, get rid of the old one so that you can make room for the new to come in. The next one, and one of my favorite ones, is to love your losses. I know it sounds a little weird, and you would be like cringing right now. What does this mean, love your losses? None of us do, right? As traders, investors, we love our profits. So what is this loving your losses? The thing is, guys, profits and losses are same sides of this, different sides of the same coin when it comes to trading and investing. And as we reiterate again and again and again, the business of trading, when you're into this business of trading, your losses are your costs of doing this business. आप कोई भी business setup करोगे, suppose ये pointer का business है, you can never do a business without incurring cost. When I run this business, in this business, my raw material, my production, my labor, my marketing is my cost, right? So when it comes to trading, my losses are my cost. The problem is, you know, the pitfall कहाँ आता है? The pitfall वहाँ पे आता है, वहाँ जहाँ when we try to think of losses, we try to think of them in a bad way. We try to think of them as something that we want to avoid, that we hate. And that emotion, guys, takes so much of energy away, productive energy away from a trader investor. Instead, why not do this exercise, you know, chart out one day, any one trading day. In the morning, remind yourself that today I'm not going to be focusing on my losses. I'm going to be loving my losses. I'm going to be accepting them as part of my trading journey. The journey of trading in my life is fair and square. Profits की जितनी जगह है, losses की इतनी जगह. I love my losses. I'm going to welcome them. Every day morning, have this affirmation. अगर आपको लगता है during the day you're going to forget it, put that out, cut that out into a big chart paper, put it on your trading desk so that you can keep reminding yourself again and again. And the day you do that, at the end of your trading session, just notice the difference in the mindset that you trade with. Just notice what have you been focusing on. You'll notice a remarkable difference, guys. One exercise is going to make a lot of difference. When you start accepting your losses, you're no longer in fighting them. You're no longer against them. You're no longer spending your energy in trying to avoid them. तो वो सारा एनर्जी जो वहाँ पे बचता है कहाँ जाता है? प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेड्स पे जाता है, क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग पे जाता है कि मैं ऐसा क्या करूँ so that I can stay with the system, I can stay with the process, I don't need to think about losses. That's where the magic happens. So try to fall in love with your losses. It's not weird to say this affirmation every day. I love my losses. It's okay. Bless your losses, fall in love with them, and then you will see how, you know, how in sync you are with your losses and how more attracted you are to your profits. The next one, and a very subtle one but a very important one, is to rejoice in other traders and investors' victories. जब भी कोई और पैसा बनाता है, आपको कैसा लगता है? Do you feel that, oh my God, उसने पैसा बनाया, when will I make money? Do you feel bad about it, or do the feelings of jealousy somewhere somehow crop in? I mean, even on the face of it, you may say it's not happened with me, or, you know, I don't remember. Think about it. All of us do go through this phase sometime or the other. The fact is, guys, when we rejoice in other people making money, the thing is, we are respecting the abundance of the universe. Once again, बहुत सारा trading पैसा बहुत सारा है universe में. और अगर आप ये argument यहाँ पे कर, you know, if this is coming into your mind that if I make a loss, only then you can make the money, that's not right. All of us have different trajectories as traders and investors. आपकी journey कुछ और है, मेरी journey कुछ और है. The fact is, if the journey that you are traveling right now, if you are destined to make profit, you're not going to do that at the cost of someone else. So bless someone, bless your neighbor or the trader who's sitting next to you or any other participant, you know. bless them when they make money and rejoice in the fact that he or she is making money, making great profits in trading. Very soon, even I'm going to make them. You fall in love with just the abundance of money there is in the universe as a trader, and soon you'll find yourself attracting that very abundance that the other person is enjoying in your life. Trust me, guys, it may sound a little weird or a little different for someone who is, hearing this concept for the first time. But the thing is, a lot of my trading success I attribute to these principles which have caused a shift in my mindset. And that's what has been a game changer in my journey as a trader. Hence, I recommend the same principles. Rejoice, be happy when people make money and bless them. You'll see the difference in your mindset as well. The next one is my super favorite one, and that is visualizing. Visualizing means literally conceiving your trading success. Conceiving that these are the amount of riches that I'm going to be making from my trading and investing into the markets. How does that sound, guys? How does that sound? Because itna sara, as a risk of repeating myself, itna sara universe mein hai ki you have the ability to attract so much of it. कभी आपने ये एक्सरसाइज किया? You guys just go and stand at the shore of the ocean, okay, shore of an ocean which is huge, और ऐसे ही बाहें फैला के just stand there and just imagine, for those moments that you're standing there, imagine with your eyes open कि जितना भी सारा पानी आप देख रहे हो ocean में, all this water is the abundance, is the riches that the universe has to offer. That is the same when it comes to trading and investing as well. So, ocean का पानी कभी भी dry नहीं होगा, right? कितने भी जन चाहे जितना भी पानी पी ले, it's not going to go dry. And the same is with the riches of the universe. It's not going to go dry, or it's way too much for all of us to have. The thing is, you just have to conceive it into your mind to see it really happening into your life in reality. That's the thing. आपने बड़े लोगों को सुना है, आपने books पढ़े, The Secret वगैरह ऐसे, where so much of these principles are propagated. The problem is, half of us barely are able to read them, and जितने भी books read करते हैं या lectures सुनते हैं, only 5% of people, and research says that, guys, 5% of us are able to literally implement, apply it into our lives and get the results out of it. Now, it's your choice. Do you want to be in that 5%, apply the big idea and get the results in your life? Or do you want to be one of those who are, seeking it but never able to find it? So visualize, guys. This is a very common practice applied by all successful people. I have personally used it for years. I've been using it for years and seeing the results I create for myself. Visualize, set intention of what is it that you want to create, and soon, lo and behold, you'll be amazed that you created for yourself into the reality. So try it out, guys. And the last one, and still a very important one, is to rejoice in smaller beginnings in life. बहुत सारी बार लोगों को देखते हैं थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रॉफिट होता है एंड देन दे से दैट चलो अभी तो इतना ही हुआ है यार, आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन स्मॉल प्रॉफिट्स, आई एम लुकिंग एट दैट बिग ट्रेड, आई एम लुकिंग एट दैट बिग ट्रेंड, आई वांट टू होल्ड इट, मुझे इतना पैसा कमाना है. आई नो ऑल ऑफ अस वांट टू डू दैट, वी ऑल वांट टू मेक क्रिएट सक्सेस स्टोरीज आउट ऑफ आवर इन ट्रेडिंग इन्वेस्टिंग करियर. बट द थिंग इज, वो इम्पेटस जो आता है, दैट मोमेंटम दैट यू गेट टुवर्ड्स द बिग अर्निंग्स, दे ऑल बिगिन फ्रॉम द स्मॉल बिगिनिंग्स. Every trader who is successful, जो भी successful trader की आप बात सुनते हो, they all started small somewhere. So rejoice in it. Whenever you get a small profit, go out with your friends and family and celebrate. Accept that smaller abundance. That gives a cue to the universe that, hey, this guy is liking abundance. He's loving it. He's appreciating it. I think I should give more of this to this guy. And that's how you attract more of it into your life. Rejoice, celebrate. छोटी छोटी चीजें, but they are the stepping stones towards the bigger things, right? So these are 6 important steps, guys. I repeat, 6 important steps for you. We'll go through them once again. The first idea that we discussed was to be in a state where you deserve your prosperity. Allow your prosperity to enter into your life. The second one was to make room for the new. Get rid of the physical and the mental clutter so that you're making room for new energies and new attractions to come into your life. The third one was to love your losses. Don't be depressed by them. Don't avoid them. The energies जो आप spend करते हो उसको avoid करने में उतना ही energy आप positivity पे focus करो. Trust me, your trading results will improve manifold, right? And the next one was rejoice in other people's victories. दूसरे लोग कमा रहे, पैसा बना रहे, be happy about them because there is inexhaustible supply of riches from trading and investing into the universe, right? The next one is visualize. Conceive it first in your mind and then see it really happening into your reality, physical world. And the last one is rejoice in smaller beginnings. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें celebrate करो, छोटे loss profits celebrate करो, sorry, and then you'll see yourself getting onto the bigger things. 6 ideas, guys, to attract more prosperity in your trading investing career. I am excited that you'll apply each of these and create the trading success for yourself. I wish you all the best.